The Stranger Things X Converse Weapon High Green White brings back the iconic energy of 1980s basketball culture while celebrating Stranger Things 5, the final chapter. Inspired by Hawkins High School in 1987, this special edition pair blends vintage details with a modern polished feel. Soft green leather, creamy white panels, and exposed brown edges create a worn-in, story-driven aesthetic that fans will instantly recognize. The shoe features a 1987 engraved Y-bar, a vivid Hawkins High Tiger Tongue label, and off-white insoles stamped with the official Stranger Things logo, bringing the series world directly under your feet. The outsole has a subtle aged finish for authentic retro depth, while the classic weapon silhouette stays rugged yet energetic with its green accents. Completing the experience is a special 80s-inspired silver box and bright orange spare laces for contrast. Releasing November 27, this pair blends nostalgia and freshness, making it a must-have for collectors, sneakerheads, and Stranger Things fans gearing up for the series finale.